Over the course of the last 2 or 3 weeks at Riverside, the students have had their preliminary examinations, a set of examinations to prepare them for their final board exams. A key part of this process is in terms of the assessment that takes place and how that information is then communicated back to all of the various stakeholders within this process. The three most important stakeholders in this process are of course the teachers, the students and also the parents.
We've been looking at assessment as an idea and tried to relook and rethink about this whole way in which we wanted to shift the focus from just marks to actually promoting learning. What assessment is about is not just measuring the performance, but about promoting the learning. Through the entire paper, it's just a tick, 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 tick. Okay, and so what is either the student going to understand from this or the parent going to understand from this?
If I look at this paper as a parent, it definitely doesn't give me a very comprehensive view of my child. So I really don't understand.
Let's look at another paper. The teacher has put down problems. Do not attempt all questions. Do not understand what some questions are asking you. Very clearly, these are the problem areas, the things that you have to work on. If you look at the way the corrections have also been done inside, at every question there is something which either has been stated by the teacher or written as comments on the side, and not just a tick and a cross.
I think with all papers we should try and find that right balance where we're encouraging but also giving them that sense of reality that look, this is where you stand, but don't get demotivated.
When you all are making this particular thing for every question and you're putting down how each child has looked at it, it gives you a very clear pattern of maybe certain questions that all of them are maybe not able to answer. Again tells you maybe that concept needs repair. Then it goes on to the IRP, the informed repair, which is very clearly states that these are the topics that are there. Questions answered with ease, questions that need attention, and exemplary answers. Important that the exemplary answers are read out in class. The homeroom teacher, of course, it gives a very clear understanding of this child and all the subjects and how they've done. So is it that it's only in one particular subject area that there is an issue with the child? Is it all? So when they are talking to the parents, it's coming from a very informed database.
Here we are not discussing marks, but we are only going to see our mistakes, identify our mistakes and try to improve on that. That's great, Miriam. I'm happy to see you get this much understanding in your paper. Look at the question and tell me how would you find range?
Okay, so we basically know that the range is the minimum value subtracted from the maximum value.
Okay.
So the range, the highest value in this question is 12 and the lowest is 2. So 12 minus 2 is 10. Reviewing and discussing the paper in depth, I personally am able to gain a much stronger understanding as to where I have faltered or what are my strengths and my weaknesses. That in turn helped me identify my own growth throughout the year.
Let me know, why do we review papers? Like how does it help us?
We get to realize where we made our mistakes and what we need to work on next.
It's a check for us as what we need to repair.
Crucial for you, question 8A में going in so much of depth was not needed. You could have saved time and attempted the next question, right? The marks might not sound very good, but the best thing is it was a good start for a full syllabus.
So here they've inserted antigen A into the mouse and they're waiting for an immune response so that it produces antibodies. So now you take that antibody and you fuse it with cancer cells so that they start replicating.
This paper review helped me very much because I could see where I faltered. Like time management was a great problem, so I can for next papers I can write faster and come up with more practice, which can help me finish the paper.
किस लिए रिव्यू करते हैं? क्या उसका उद्देश्य क्या है या उसका पर्पस क्या है?
हम रिव्यू करते हैं कि हमें पता चले कि हम किस चीज़ में अच्छे हैं और किस चीज़ में हमें काम करना चाहिए।
तनिषा के साथ ऐसा हुआ
उसने सारांश किया और उसके बाद क्योंकि सारांश के पीछे लेखन था, उसने वो लेखन वाला पन्ना नहीं देखा पलटकर और उसको लगा कि सारांश लास्ट प्रश्न है और सिर्फ इसलिए उस बच्ची का पेपर छूट गया है। इसीलिए बोला जाता है जब आप पेपर सबमिट करते हो तो एक बार प्रॉपर तरीके से उसको देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
पूर्वानुभव में मैंने आपको बोला था आई करके लिखोगे कि मैं 2 वर्षों से यूथ हॉस्टल एसोसिएशन ऑफ रॉक क्लाइंबिंग का मैं सदस्य हूँ। आप उसको थर्ड पर्सन में लिख रहे हो, बहुत बच्चों ने थर्ड पर्सन में लिखा है।
The review that we are doing these days in our class helps us not only understand the ideal answer that should be for a question, but it helps us the element that I personally might not have put in my answer. When you see the first page of the question paper when it is given, you see a generalized feedback that helps you understand, yes, this was where I went wrong, and it also has smiley faces that tells me, yes, I was correct here. And it helps us understand that yes, I need to work on this part and I could have improved here.
तो मैं समझती हूँ कि एज अ सब्जेक्ट टीचर रिव्यू करना दोनों स्टेक होल्डर स्टूडेंट और टीचर दोनों के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा है और इससे बच्चों को मोटिवेशन भी मिलता है, उनके अच्छे काम के लिए, उनके बेहतर काम के लिए उनको मोटिवेट किया जा रहा है और ओवरऑल ये नहीं है कि हाँ मैंने अच्छा नहीं किया या मैंने अच्छा किया। ओके, मैंने अच्छा किया पर कहाँ मैं और अच्छा कर सकता हूँ, या ठीक है मैंने यहाँ अच्छा नहीं किया पर ये एरिया मेरे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। तो यानी अपने स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में पता चलता है, अपने वीकनेस के बारे में पता चलता है और उस वीकनेस पर उस स्किल एरिया में क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होगी, उस स्ट्रैटेजी को कैसे अप्लाई किया जाए और अप्लाई करने के बाद क्या रिजल्ट आ रहा है, पूरे 360 व्यू के साथ में बच्चे अपने पेपर को देखते हैं और टीचर्स भी देखते हैं।